How to fix internet connection problem in Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can fix internet connection issue on your Windows. So let's get started. First thing is open up your settings. Search for your settings on your search bar and open it up. After you're on your settings, you can then go to your network and internet that is on the left hand side, and there you can see your Wi-Fi connections. You can simply turn this off and turn it back on, turn it off and then turn it back on. After you've done that, your connection will restart. If it connects, great. If not, what you might want to do is simply reset your device driver. So for that, we'll simply search for device manager on our search bar. So go to start and search for device manager. After you open up your device manager, you'll find different options including network adapters. Tap on network adapters and you should find your network adapters. So here, what you can see is your network adapter, that is your wireless LAN card. Simply double tap on that. After you double tap on that, head over to driver right here, this option, and there you'll see different options. So simply update your driver. Tap on update. You can browse for automatically for drivers as well, or browse for browsing your drivers. You can pick your driver from here and then update it. After updating your driver, your problem should get fixed. And yeah, this is the basic fix for your issue. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.